Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Jim Shitty's Backyard Repairs. Today we're looking at the Poulan Pro chainsaw. These fucking pieces of shit are known to be hard to start, they never idle, and they're a bastard to adjust. I'm going to show you a way to do it easy. It's not that hard, just give me a minute. The first thing you gotta do is adjust the friggin'... Oh wait, you gotta take the cover off. It only takes a second here, folks. Now, if that doesn't work, sometimes there's other ways. You just take a minute, work on it, you'll find the answer. There you go. So once you got your cover off, it's not a big deal. You're going to want to adjust the carburetor with the chisel. So nobody will ever have to fuck with that again. Now, let's see. If it still doesn't start, there's only one way to get it going. This should do it. Fire. So thanks for joining us, Jim Shitty's Backyard Repairs. Be sure to join us next week.